Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. In this video, I'm going to solve another problem, BFE.dev. It's called Create Your Own Cookie. Let's take a look. It's number 134, Create Your Own Cookie. We can get and set cookie by document cookie. This is set. This is set to second cookie. And then we get the cookie. It returns us the string. So please create your own my cookie. It should support and get and set, which is the same as the default cookie, right? And there are a few cookies to option, but in this problem, we only need to support max age, which means the cookie should be deleted after a certain time in seconds. Like we said, the cookie BFE.dev, maximum 1 second. So if we get it, it will return us the right cookie string. But after 1 second, if we get it again, it will return empty. In our code, please enable my cookie in install and remove the logic in uninstall. Install here, uninstall. Well, this is for test. Okay. So the tricky part is that actually we treat it like this cookie is normal string, but it's actually not, right? We set it, and we can set multiple values to the same property, like my cookie here with BFE equals def and equal this one is BFE1 equals def1, and finally we return a different string. So this is not a typical string. It should be I think it should be getter setter there. So the idea is very simple. Use getter and setter. So we could use, say, object define property. This should be my cookie. And we need to store the key separated by the key names in an object, right? I'll say, yeah, we could use a map. Okay. The map should be map with the key name as string, string as the key, and we need to keep track of the max age, right? So the value, the max age, and we need to delete the cookie after the certain amount of time. So we need to store when the key is added. So it will be 3 properties there, which would be a value, string, and there will be a max age number, and there will be a okay, create add. This is also a number, I think. Okay, this is the store we needed. Now we define our property my cookie, so there will be a get. For now, I'll just return the empty. Okay, and then we need set value. We will still return the empty for now. When uninstall, we just delete the store my cookie. No, document. Okay, document my cookie. Yeah, let's run. Of course, it won't pass. Object define property on non-project. Define property. I'm sorry. This should be document. Yeah. Cannot redefine. I think I deleted it. I'm sorry. And we need the option here, so it should be configurable. It's default to false when you set it true to enable a delete. Okay, so now we have some. We haven't implemented logic yet. Okay, let's begin. So we will get all the key value pairs and filter out the maximum age, right? So we get the keys would be Store keys. Okay, I think we just do create a result array, and for let. Oh, I forgot. What is this? Entries? Entries should be key and value. Key and value, right? Of store entries. Oh, I'm not sure if for each entry it's array. I think this might be work. Okay. So the value. Okay, the create max age might be empty, but create should be there. Okay, so if value has max age, we need to check if it expired, right? So if now all the numbers, the time is with a unit of milliseconds, create add. If it is bigger than value max age or equals to it, then it means expire, right? Expire. So we do nothing, we continue. For all the other cases, if it's not expired or there's not even a max age at all, we would push the string with the key equals value, so which is key equals value. Okay, this the value is not. I think this should be entry. Okay, data. Entry. I say entry. So entry max value. Okay. Okay, this is true. So now we get the final result. We will return the result joined by the column here and a space. Cool. So now in set, which is pretty simple, when set with something like this, there might be max age and not max age, right? So the first one is we need to first split with the column and a space. Ooh. Yeah. And space, I think we should just filter out the space first. Anyway, let's first split it. So the first one is sex. I would say the first one is pair, kv pair, key value pair. The other one is options. That is split with. This is weird with column and a space. I think space should not be. Space should be escaped in a real cookie here. So for any space, actually, we should. I think we should filter them out. Replace space. Okay, split by column. And now we get the key value. We split the key value pair, split with equal. I would say if there if key is not there or value is not there, we just return, do nothing, right? Yeah, so now we can get the entry, which is the entry value is set to the value. Now created add equals created add. Okay, created add, right? Created add. Create add. Now we check if there is max age in these options. So options for each option, we split it, key and value with option split equal. We do the same. If key or not value, we'll just do nothing. And if key equals to max age, this is what we want. We would set the entry, max age equals to the value. We need to parse it into a number. So parse. Okay, wait, I think I need to do here. So const max age equals value 10. If it is not a number, say if number is not a number, max age, we do nothing. So now it's a number, so we max age times 1000. This should be the millisecond. So we set the entry with the max age if it is set. Now what we do is just store set key with this entry. Yeah, cool. So that's done, I think. We set the value, and we get the value, we get the entries, and filter out the expired ones. No. I'm sorry. If it is expired, then I need to remove it. Continue. Store delete key. If not, we collect them. Okay, so this is it. 25. The value is already. I see. Set. This is a value string. I rename it here. Oh. Somewhat. Max age should be supported. These we have 3 max age, and first we set it. We need to max age 0. Expect this, but we get BFE.dev. So the first, okay, wait a minute. The first cookie, we have set it. We set it, but okay. If max age 0 and date now, this is milliseconds. It's bigger than the 0, so we delete it and continue. For let doesn't support continue. That's weird. What's wrong? Okay, the dev tool. So the first, for max age 0, we had some problem. For each plus the value. If is not a number, we return entry max age, and then we set the entry. It seems that the entry, when we get store, I'm sorry, I need to log the entry. I cannot see anything. Max age. Map is not. What's wrong? I'm sad that the BFE doesn't have the debug feature. I know what happened. The max age is 0. This is a common mistake. Max age, we shouldn't use implicit converting if it is not undefined. Cool. Wow. I love this problem. It's very interesting. So I posted on the discuss panel. If you're interested, please take a look. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.